My dear students of class 10, today I am going to start quadratic equation words problem. Questions are given in the words and you have to translate the words question in the form of equation, and after that you have to solve the equation and you have to find out whatever is asked in the question. You see, I am giving the question number 1, 2, 3 like that I will be giving. From every exercise, some important questions I am bringing on the board and I am solving. The questions which remains, that question you have to do yourself. If you are getting the difficulties, then you must inform me. I will try to fulfill your requirement. You see, first of all, which question is there? Question number 1, you see, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Length is 1 meter more than the twice of the breadth. Find the length and breadth of the plot. I think you understood. Area of rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. So two dimensions are given, length and breadth. Here what happens? Length is 1 meter more than twice of the breadth. And after that area is given 528. You see, as I am doing, try to understand each and every step. Answer 1. Here you see, first of all, you suppose let breadth of the rectangular plot be x meter. Why I have taken meter? Because area is in meter square. That means length and breadth must be in meter. So here breadth be x meter. Therefore, according to question, length should be what? Length. You see how it is written. Length is twice, as it is written, twice of the breadth. That means length is, so you have to write here, instead of is, was, where, you must have to put equal symbol. Twice is there, so you have to put what? 2. Twice. Thrice, then you had to put 3. Like that. 5 times, you are supposed to write 5. So, length is, instead of is, I have put what? Equality symbol. Twice, instead of twice, what I have put? 2. Of the breadth means what? Breadth, here you write twice of the breadth. What is breadth? X meter. So length is equal to 2x meter. 1 meter more than twice of the breadth. You see, 1 meter more. If it could be written like that, 1 meter less than, then you are supposed to write minus. But here is what? Length is 1 meter more than twice of the breadth. So I think it is clear. If it is written length is means equal, thrice 1 meter less than thrice of breadth, then you are supposed to write 1 minus and thrice means 3. But here is clearly written 1 meter more than twice of the breadth. You got length and breadth. Therefore, according to question, area is equal to length. Area is equal to what is given? Area is equal to 528 meter square. Therefore, length into breadth is equal to what you are supposed to write? 528. No need of writing the unit. Unit will come in the last. Instead of length, I am writing 2x plus 1 into, instead of breadth, I am writing x. So that is equal to 528. Now you see 2x square plus x is equal to 528. So you are getting 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Now you have to solve. How can you solve? Means solving means what? You have to find out the value of x. Here there is no space, so I have to rub it. I am rubbing from here. Here you see, you have to solve it here. 2x square plus middle term you do. 2x square x minus 528 is equal to 0. Here you see, here minus symbol is given, so I have to write here minus. Now you write here two numbers. Okay, you do one thing. 2 and this much you multiply. The coefficient of x square and the constant term you multiply. So you are getting 528 into 2. So 1056 you are getting. Now you break it in the factors so that the difference of the two numbers should be only 1. How can you do? 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Means 528 minus 2, you will not get 1. You proceed more. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now you see, 2 2s are 4. 4 if you are going to subtract here, you will not get 1. So you proceed more. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 2 2s are. Now you see, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 you will subtract from 132, you will not get 1. We are supposed to get here 1 only, because coefficient of x is nothing, means what? 1. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Now you see, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. 16 even you are subtracting from 66, you are not getting 1. You proceed more. 2. Here you see 3 3. 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 2 are 32. 33 minus 32 you are getting 1. So here 33 minus 32. Now you proceed, x square plus 33 into x, 33x minus plus minus 32x minus 528 is equal to 0 you are getting. Now you take here common. What can you take common? X. So 2x plus 33. Here what you can take common? You can take common 16. So 16 2s are 32x. Minus already you have taken common. So what happens? Symbol will be changed. 16 into 33 you will get 16 into 30. What comes? 33 will come here. 33. Now, because after that you see, either you will get 2x plus 33 into x minus 16 is equal to 0 you are getting. either 2x plus 33 is equal to 0 you are getting, or x minus 16 is equal to 0 you are getting. Now you see 2x is equal to minus 33, so x is equal to minus 33 by 2, or you can get x is equal to 16. You know one thing, that breadth can never be negative, so you cannot take this one. Here we are going, I think you have written here, you write, you can write here like that. Since breadth can never be negative, therefore x is equal to x cannot be equal to minus 33 by 2. Therefore you can take x is what? Breadth. So breadth is equal to, which one you will take? X is equal to 16. Breadth is equal to 16 meter, and length is equal to 2x plus what you have supposed, 2x plus 1. So instead of 2 instead of x you can write 16 plus 1. So 16 to the 32 and 1 33 meter. I think you got the dimensions, you got length and breadth. Okay, I am going to rub it now. Now which question you have to do? Question number 2. Question number 1 you have finished. So these are the answers. What are the answers? 60 meter for breadth and 33 meter for length you got. After that, we concentrate our mind on question number 2. Here you see what is 2? 1 I am going to write. Question number 2 you see, a train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Find the speed of the train. Here you see, suppose you ride a bicycles. When you are riding very fast, your speed is more, then what happened? To reach a particular destination, you take less time. If you are moving slowly, you are driving or riding the bicycle slowly, then what will happen? You understand? You will take more time. Same thing happens. The distance is fixed. How much is the distance? Distance is 480 km only. Distance is not going to be changed. A train is there. That train travels this distance with an uniform speed. Let the uniform speed be, let the uniform speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Now, with that speed, if the train moves, how much time it will take to cover 480 km? Time taken by the train to cover 480 km is equal to how much? You know to find out the time, what formula you are using? Time is equal to distance by speed. So what is the distance? You know distance by speed means distance you are taking s by t. S means what here? S means distance. What is the distance? 480. And what is the here V you are supposed to write. What I have one mistake. You see, to find out the time, what you have to take? Time taken by the train to cover 480 kilometer distance means distance by speed you have to write. Distance S and by V. So you have to write, instead of distance we are writing 480 and instead of V we are writing x kilometer per hour. So x I am writing. And unit of time will be what? Because it is kilometer per hour speed and distance is also kilometer. So you have to write here hour. So this much time is taken. Now speed, what will be the speed? Do you understand? If speed had been 8 km per hour less, so new speed is equal to new speed of the train is equal to, you can write, previous speed was x km per hour, now speed is x minus 8 km per hour. Therefore, time taken to cover 480 kilometer is equal to, distance should be written up 480 and speed should be written down x minus 8 and that much hour you are taking. According to question, when speed has been reduced to by 8 km per hour, then time would have taken, the train will have taken time 3 hours more. Because of this time is 3 hours more than this time. So according to question you can write, according to question, you come here, after that you have to start from here. According to question, this time is 3 hours more than the previous time. So 480 by x minus 8 is so equal more than 3 hours more. So 3 hours I have written here more, so plus, then what? Then the previous time. Previous time was 480 by x. You solve it, you will get the answer. Here you see 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. Now you see LCM of x minus 8 and x will be x minus 8 into x. Divide this denominator by x minus 8. X minus 8 will be cancelled. So x will be 480 into x, 480x. Here what will happen? X cancel, then x minus 8 remains. So I am writing 480 into x minus 8. That is equal to 3. Now you see, (480x) minus 480x. We are breaking the bracket. Minus plus. Now you multiply 480 by 8. What happens? 8 into 0, 0. 8 is just 64 in hand 6. 8 4 ja 32 and 6 38. In this way, and below will be what? X into x, x square. 8 into x, minus 8x, that is equal to 3 you are getting. My dear students, you see here what happens. 480x cancel, then remains what? 3840 by x square minus 8x is equal to 3. Do one thing, cross multiplication. So x square minus 8x into 3, you are getting what? 3 into x square minus 8x, that is equal to 3840. Now you do one thing, x square minus 8x is equal to 3840 by 3. Can you cancel it? I think 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 8 are 24 and 0. 0. You see 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 2 remains, 3 8 are 24 and then lastly 0. So you are getting what? X square minus 8x. Let this come this side. After that, it is up to you. You apply any process to find out the roots. I prefer to solve it by factorization method. X square minus, you see here what happens, instead of 8 I have given the bracket. This x I am writing here, minus 1280 is equal to 0. Now here is minus, so I am supposed to write here minus. One thing, you write two numbers here in such a way, their difference should be 8, but multiplication should be what? 1280. Like that you have to do. So you break it by the factorization method. 1280 you break. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 2 3 are 2 2 are 0, 2 now 2 8 are, now you see 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16. If even you are subtracting 16 from 80, you are not getting 8. So what happened? Proceed more to 40. Now you see 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 2 are 32. 40 minus 32, you are getting 8. So I am writing here 40 minus 32. Now I don't have a space here, so I am rubbing here. Here you see x square minus 40x minus 32 minus plus 32x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Dear friends, you take something common. What can you take common? X. Make the pair. Here you see, first these two, one pair, second these two, second pair. X you take common, so x minus 40. 32 you take common, then what happened? X minus 32 into 40, you will get this much, so 40. Now x minus 40 into x plus 32 is equal to 0. Either x minus 40 is equal to 0 or x plus 32 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 40 or x is equal to minus 32. Dear friend, you say a speed of a train can be negative. I don't think so. So you can write here, since a speed of a train can never be negative. Therefore, we can not take x is equal to minus 32. Therefore, x is equal to 40 is accepted. Therefore, uniform speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. This was to found.